train Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. They train city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in a train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, so we got a Trang tourist site right here. The Trang, I know I'm mispronouncing the name of the city, but this is a cathedral. So you can see the Mother Mary right there, Ave Maria in French. So we're gonna check it all out before we can go up. Give you a little taste of where we are in the wonderful city in Vietnam, Nha Trang. Okay, Nha Trang Cathedral up on the map. There it is. So I only got a few more Nha Trang videos to upload, and then that'll be the end of the set. But like and subscribe and stay tuned for those. I think those are some of the best yet coming up. But this one's pretty good too. Very good. It's a beautiful cathedral. And then I got the music up there as well. So I wrote the lyrics and I fed in AI, and that's what you're hearing if you wanted to see what the lyrics are to that song. Okay, so let's get right into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk around in the Cathedral of Nha Trang. Okay, so let me see. Maybe we'll try to go up there first. There we go. Here we got some money down there on the ground. 5. Is it Chinese money? Looks like it's Chinese money. That's so cool. We got holy water right there. It's coming out of a spout. And the details. Huh. Oh, that's first camels. Yeah, Jerusalem. That's right. 3 wise men. All the symbolism. Sheep. I kind of like this because I'm in Macau, which has the Portuguese and Catholicism, and it's China, and this one is Vietnam. With the Catholicism and the French influences. And there's Mother Mary right there. That's really cool. Yeah, they do have this as a Chinese money right there. So that's a 1 yuan. Should go in. There's another yuan right there as well. I don't know why they're not. There's another one right there. So all the Chinese yuan is like spread out. Should be donated somewhere. I guess they're just throwing it on the ground. Anyways, if there was a donation box, I would put it in. Usually there is with the Buddhist temples, but okay, so we're gonna go into the church. So let's venture around. So we're gonna try to go in, and I think we have to go in over here. Although it's for the moto. Yeah. Please contribute towards church services. Okay. So I guess you contribute. So we're gonna go up there in a moment, and I'm gonna do a little contribution, but I'm gonna come in here real quick and take a look at this grotto. Okay, it's a gravestone for one of the Louis Gallimé. Okay, so let's go on up. Yeah, so interesting. I'm starting to see is that Joseph or Jesus? You start seeing all the references already, right? They even have the shops so you can buy stuff. And then they kind of line up. I like how there's like houses right up to the back of it. Then you can see some statues right there too. They kind of go all the way around. It just turns interesting because it reminds me so much of like Buddhism. Because you can also see lots of statues lined up. And I guess these are like remembrances. 1890, 1802, I mean, 1988, 1933. It's all kinds of different years and such. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of skipping a lot of them because of the repetition. Now we're starting to go overlook the city a little bit as well. Simon, very specific. If I, actually kind of cool. Really like it actually. I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't really research it much, but it's actually like more interesting than I thought. Okay, so now we're up at the front. It's actually a really nice breeze in here too. It's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking in here a little bit more. Then we even got more of these. Here's Marco. Luke. Mark, Luke. Barnabas. Huh. Got a Barnabas, Barnabas, right? Isn't it the same? I was thinking of. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. So let's go on in and we just follow through. Nice windows as well. Oh, there's even another grotto over there. Right there. My mom has the exact same clock. Grandfather clock. Okay, so now we're back out. You can also overlook the city. I believe that those tall buildings are on the coast. So I think the ocean is right there. What a beautiful place to have a church. Like up on top of the hill. And I believe this is going to be the end of it. So I think we have to come back and go back the other way. Okay, so we are going to exit, and that'll be it for this church up on the hill. Looks like we can go down a different way.
Walking around and trying by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.